Hey everyone! If Arc Raiders is not launching after the latest update, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several solutions to fix the issue step by step. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Right-click Arc Raiders. Select Properties. Go to Launch Options. If you see DX11 written there, delete it. Now close the window and launch the game. If that didn't work, move on to the next solution. Solution 2. Right-click Arc Raiders again. Select Properties. In Launch Options, type -DX12. Close the window and launch the game again. Solution 3. Right-click Arc Raiders. Select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to scan and repair your game. Once finished, try launching it again. Solution 4. Right-click Arc Raiders. Select Manage. Click Browse Local Files. Locate the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Delete the entire folder. Now, go back to Properties. Click Installed Files. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files again. Steam will reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat automatically. Solution 5. If you use an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu. Go to Settings, click on Apps. Click on Installed Apps. In the search bar, type NVIDIA App. Click the 3 dots. Select Uninstall. Click Uninstall again and wait for it to finish. Restart your PC. Now, open the link in the description. Click Download Now. Double-click the installer. Press Agree and continue. Wait for the installation to complete. Click on Game Ready Driver and press Next. Click on the Drivers tab. Press Check for updates. Click Install on the latest driver. Once the driver is installed, restart your PC. After restarting, Arc Raiders should launch properly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.